Welcome. If you're tired of Discord filling up your inbox with communications emails, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable communications email notifications on Discord web using your PC following the latest update. Let's get started and clear out those unwanted messages for good. First, open Discord directly from your web browser. Simply head to discord.com and log into your account as usual. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your personal settings menu. Now that you're inside user settings, take a look at the menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Notifications tab. Click on Notifications to access all your notification preferences. Next, scroll down within the notification settings until you reach the section labeled Email Notifications. Here, you'll see several options for different types of emails that Discord can send you. Look specifically for communications emails. These are the emails Discord sends about conversations, updates, or other communication-related activities. To stop receiving these, simply toggle off the switch next to communications emails. Once you do this, Discord will no longer send you communications-related emails, helping you keep your inbox clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully disabled communications email notifications on Discord web. You'll still get important updates and messages directly in the app, but your email will stay nice and tidy. If you ever want to re-enable these emails, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy a quieter, more focused Discord experience.